Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the US Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits rose from 235,000 to 249,000 in the week ending July 27th. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, non-farm business sector labor productivity increased 2.3% in the second quarter 2024 from the previous quarter, much higher than a 0.4% increase in the first quarter 2024. According to the S&P Global US Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell from 51.6 in June to 49.6 in July. 10-year Treasury yield falls to 3.96% as rising initial jobless claims, continuing claims, stoked fears over a possible recession. U.S. stocks jumped and tumbled this week. S&P 500 fell 1.37% Thursday after jumping 1.58% Wednesday. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits rose from 235,000 to 249,000 in the week ending July 27th. The number of Americans receiving benefits after an initial week of aid also increased from 1,844,000 to 1,877,000 in the week ending July 20th. So you can see the initial jobless claims have been on an uptrend since January 2024. In addition, the continuing jobless claims hit highest level since November 2021. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported Thursday that non-farm business sector labor productivity increased 2.3% in the second quarter 2024 from the previous quarter and 2.7% on a yearly basis. In the first quarter 2024, the non-farm business sector labor productivity rose 0.4% quarter over quarter. Unit labor costs in the non-farm business sector rose 0.9% on a quarterly basis and 0.5% over the last 4 quarters. According to the S&P Global US Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell from 51.6 in June to 49.6 in July. For your information, a reading below 50 means an overall decrease compared to the previous month. S&P Global said, quote, "The start of the third quarter saw deterioration in business conditions at U.S. manufacturing as new orders declined for the first time in 3 months. Employment also rose at a slower pace. Meanwhile, manufacturers increased their own selling prices at only a marginal pace, with the rate of inflation easing to a 1-year low. 10-year Treasury yield has decreased because recent economic data such as PC prices, the Employment Cost Index, signaled that the U.S. economy is cooling off. Then the yield further decreased below 4% because rising initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims stoked fears over possible recession. US stocks tumbled, jumped, and tumbled again this week. S&P 500 tumbled 1.39% Tuesday, then jumped 1.58% Wednesday, and tumbled again 1.37% Thursday. I'm really interested in what's going on Friday after the jobs report, which is scheduled to be released on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.